National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bibb County in central Georgia, southeastern Pike County in west central Georgia, Monroe County in central Georgia, northeastern Upson County in west central Georgia, southwestern Jones County in central Georgia, southern Lamar County in west central Georgia, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over the Rock, or near Barnesville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Macon, Thomaston, Barnesville, Forsyth, Yadesville, Payne, Meonsville, Eldora, Payne City, The Rock, Bowling Grove, Dames Ferry, Russellville, Brent, Gerald Plantation, Wesleyan, Redbone, Arkwright, Collier, and Piedmont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.